Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss reproductive health top 50 multiple choice questions. 1. Reproductive health refers to A. Healthy baby, B. Frequent coitus, C. Healthy reproductive organs and functions, D. Longer lifetime. Answer: C. Healthy reproductive organs and functions. 2. In India, the first census was conducted in A. 1851, B. 1891, C. 1921, D. 1951. Answer: B. 1891. 3. Which of the following is not the role of reproductive and child health care (RCH) programs? A. Awareness about reproductive health, B. Providing facilities to build a reproductively healthy society, C. Providing support to reproductively sick people, D. Promote abortion. Answer: D. Promote abortion. 4. Amniocentesis is a process to A. Determine any disease in the heart, B. Know about diseases of brain, C. Determine any hereditary disease in the embryo, D. All of these. Answer: C. Determine any hereditary disease in the embryo. 5. What test is used to determine the sex of the fetus? A. Amniocentesis, B. Amyloidogenesis, C. Amniotic, D. Fluidic. Answer: A. Amniocentesis. 6. A national level approach to build up a reproductively healthy society was taken up in our country in A. 1950s, B. 1960s, C. 1980s, D. 1990s. Answer: A. 1950s. 7. What slogan has been popularized in India for population control? A. Population growth, the cause of poverty, B. We too, ours too, C. For a better tomorrow, population control, D. Small family, happy family. Answer: B. We too, ours too. 8. What is the principle of natural contraceptive methods? A. Avoiding sperm and ovum to meet, B. Avoiding the release of egg, C. Avoiding the release of sperm, D. Abortion when pregnant. Answer: A. Avoiding sperm and ovum to meet. 9. The most effective method for birth control is A. Abortion, B. Oral pills, C. Abstinence, D. Sterilization. Answer: D. Sterilization. 10. Central Drug Research Institute (CDRI), Lucknow has developed a contraceptive named A. Maladi, B. Combined pills, C. Saheli, D. Condoms. Answer: C. Saheli. 11. Which among these is not a natural method of birth control? A. Coitus interruptus, B. Periodic abstinence, C. Vasectomy, D. Lactational amenorrhea. Answer: B. Periodic abstinence. 12. What is coitus interruptus? A. Rejection of sperm by female, B. Rejection of egg by male, C. Withdrawal of the penis from the vagina before ejaculation, D. Withdrawal of the penis from the vagina after ejaculation. Answer: C. Withdrawal of the penis from the vagina before ejaculation. 13. What is the absence of menstruation called? A. Periodic abstinence, B. Lactational amenorrhea, C. Coitus interruptus, D. Coitus pluralis. Answer: B. Lactational amenorrhea. 14. Lactational amenorrhea is related to A. Temporary method of contraception, B. Absence of menstruation, C. Permanent method of contraception, D. None of these. Answer: A. Temporary method of contraception. 15. Condoms are one of the most popular contraceptives because of the following reasons. A. These are effective barriers for insemination, B. They do not interfere with the coital act, C. These help in reducing the risk of STDs, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 16. Which is a popular brand of condoms designed for males? A. Nirod, B. Maladi, C. LNG20, D. Saheli. Answer: A. Nirod. 17. What is the frequency of intake required for Saheli to work? A. Twice a month, B. Once a week, C. Once a year, D. Once a month. Answer: B. Once a week. 18. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within A. 72 hours of coitus, B. 72 hours of ovulation. C. 72 hours of menstruation. D. 72 hours of implantation. Answer: A. 72 hours of coitus. 19. The following statements are given regarding MTP. Choose the correct options given below. I. MTPs are generally advised during the first trimester. E. MTPs are used as a contraceptive method. E. MTPs are always surgical. IV. MTPs require the assistance of qualified medical personnel. A. I in E. B. E and E. C. I and IV. D. I in E. Answer: C. I and IV. 20. From the sexually transmitted diseases mentioned below, identify the one which does not specifically affect the sex organs. A. Syphilis. B. AIDS. C. Gonorrhea. D. Genital warts. Answer: B. AIDS. 21. Choose the right one among the statements given below. A. IUDs are generally inserted by the user herself. B. IUDs increase phagocytosis reaction in the uterus. C. IUDs suppress gametogenesis. D. IUDs once inserted need not be replaced. Answer: B. IUDs increase phagocytosis reaction in the uterus. 22. Which of the following barrier methods is not reusable? A. Cervical caps. B. Vaults. C. Diaphragms. D. Condoms. Answer: D. Condoms. 23. How do IUDs prevent pregnancy? A. By preventing mixing of vaginal and seminal fluids. B. By increasing phagocytosis of sperms. C. By increasing phagocytosis of eggs. D. By preventing the release of egg. Answer: B. By increasing phagocytosis of sperms. 24. How do co-icons in copper-releasing IUDs prevent fertilization? A. By reducing the motility of the sperms. B. By increasing the motility of the sperm. C. By causing the females to expel out the sperms. D. By causing the lysis of sperms. Answer: A. By reducing the motility of the sperms. 25. Which of the following IUDs work by releasing hormones? A. Lips loop. B. Copper 7. C. Multilode 375. D. Progestasert. Answer: D. Progestasert. 26. Which of the following is not a copper-releasing IUD? A. Cu7. B. Cut. C. LNG20. D. Multilode 375. Answer: C. LNG20. 27. Which of the following is a non-medicated IUD? A. Lips loop. B. Cu7. C. Multilode 375. D. Progestasert. Answer: A. Lips loop. 28. What methods are inserted into the uterus through the vagina to prevent pregnancy? A. Natural methods. B. Barrier methods. C. Oral methods. D. Intrauterine methods. Answer: D. Intrauterine methods. 29. Which of the following hormonal dosages is given as an oral administration to prevent pregnancy? A. Relaxin. B. Progesterone. C. Estradiol. D. Epinephrine. Answer: B. Progesterone. 30. At what phase of the menstrual cycle should the dosage of pills start? A. Follicular phase. B. Testicular phase. C. Menstrual phase. D. Secretory phase. Answer: C. Menstrual phase. 31. Which of the following is a brand name for female oral contraceptives in India? A. Nirod. B. Virod. C. Vinod. D. Saheli. Answer: D. Saheli. 32. What are the two hormones that can be used to prevent pregnancy in the form of injections or implants? A. Progesterone and estrogen. B. Progesterone and testosterone. C. Estrogen and testosterone. D. Estrogen and oxytocin. Answer: A. Progesterone and estrogen. 33. What are the invasive methods used to prevent pregnancy called? A. Natural methods. B. Barrier methods. C. Oral methods. D. Surgical methods. Answer: D. Surgical methods. 34. Surgical methods are also called as A. Fertilization. B. Sterilization. C. Ejaculation. D. Emission. Answer: B. Sterilization. 35. Which of the following is prevented by surgical intervention? A. Fusion of male and female gametes. B. Synthesis of gametes. C. Motility of sperms. D. Transport of gametes. Answer: D. Transport of gametes. 36. What is the procedure for sterilization in females? A. Vasectomy. B. Tubectomy. C. Decapitation. D. Circumcision. Answer: B. Tubectomy. 37. What is the procedure for sterilization in males? A. Vasectomy. B. Tubectomy. C. Decapitation. D. Circumcision. Answer: A. Vasectomy. 38. What does a contraceptive prevent? A. Fertilization. B. Sterilization. C. Ejaculation. D. Emission. Answer: A. Fertilization. 39. Which of the following is not a side effect of the widespread use of contraceptives? A. Abdominal pain. B. Bleeding. C. Nausea. D. Coma. Answer: D. Coma. 40. What is the other term for MTP? A. Induced abortion. B. Forced death. C. Pregnancy-induced sterilization. D. Unwanted pregnancy. Answer: A. Induced abortion. 41. Which of the following is not the correct reason for the use of MTP? A. Get rid of unwanted pregnancy. B. Terminate pregnancies that are fatal to mother. C. Terminate pregnancies that are fatal to fetus. D. Female feticide. Answer: D. Female feticide. 42. What period of pregnancy are the MTPs safest? A. First trimester. B. Second trimester. C. Third trimester. D. Fourth trimester. Answer: A. First trimester. 43. Which of the following is not a reason for the debate of legalizing MTP in many countries? A. Emotional issues. B. Ethical issues. C. Religious issues. D. Economic issues. Answer: D. Economic issues. 44. What restriction has been posed by the Government of India on the use of MTP? A. Illegal female feticide. B. Illegal male feticide. C. Illegal drug smuggling. D. Illegal use of narcotics. Answer: A. Illegal female feticide. 45. RTI stand for: A. Reproductive tract infections. B. Reproductive tract infections. C. Respiratory tract interaction. D. Respiratory tract infections. Answer: B. Reproductive tract infections. 46. Which of the following is not an STD? A. Trichomoniasis. B. Chlamydiosis. C. Syphilis. D. Cancer. Answer: D. Cancer. 47. What is the mode of transfer of infections for STDs? A. Touch. B. Sexual contact. C. Exchange of clothes. D. Drinking unfit water. Answer: B. Sexual contact. 48. What is not the correct step in preventing transmission of STD? A. Using condoms during intercourse. B. Avoiding sex with multiple partners. C. Visiting a qualified doctor if symptoms are observed. D. Sharing shaving blades with friends. Answer: D. Sharing shaving blades with friends. 49. What is the inability to conceive a baby even after unprotected intercourse called? A. Sterility. B. Infertility. C. Fertility. D. Reproductivity. Answer: B. Infertility. 50. ART stands for: A. Assisted reproductive technologies. B. Assisted reproductive techniques. C. Assisted respiratory technologies. D. Assisted respiratory techniques. Answer: A. Assisted reproductive technologies. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.